Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about symbols of components. Symbols of components. In that we already learned about first one, cell. Cell means primary source for current. Primary source for current. So what is the symbol of this cell? We have to represent like this. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Okay? And second one, battery. It is a secondary source. Secondary source for current. Here, what is the symbol of battery? Combination of two or more cells. Combination of two or more cells. Like this we have to represent. Okay? And third one, galvanometer. Galvanometer. Here this galvanometer is represented as, like this we have to represent, or galvanometer says that in which direction current will pass. In which direction current will pass. Direction okay. In that first one, cell. Cell means a primary source for current. Cell is a primary source for current and it is not rechargeable. And second one, battery. It is a secondary source for current. And galvanometer, it is used for in which direction current will pass. Okay, it is represented as circle G or circle arrow mark. Okay. And fourth one, resistance. Resistance. Here what is resistance? Resistance means friction to current. Here, if I take like this, it is a frictional path. Frictional means there is a rough surface which is acted on ground. Okay, which is acted on ground. This is frictional surface and this is object. So like this, in mechanics, friction will there, and in current, like this wires will be there in current. Here the junction between these wires is a friction. Okay, so that is called resistance. And here resistance symbol is like this we have to represent. Okay, and here there are two types. This is one of the resistance and next one fixed resistance. Fixed resistance. Okay, here fixed resistance means friction to current, but symbol changes. Like this it will say. And we have to show like this. With arrow mark, we have to show fixed resistance. Okay? So these are some important symbols. And next topic, power. Power. So in this, power is dependent on two quantities. First one work, second one time. Power is dependent by two quantities, work and time. So power is defined as ratio of work to time. Ratio of work to time means work by time equals to power. Okay? Here power is dependent on two quantities, two physical quantities, that is work and time. So on these quantities, power is defined as ratio of work to time. Okay? So power is equals to work by time is the formula. And next one, star point. Here, if a machine works 20 joules in half an hour, if a machine works 20 joules in half an hour and the power is 20 by half into 60. This is in hours. We have to convert into minutes. Okay? And another 60 also. Because we have to convert in seconds, then only we have to use SI units. Okay? And here 0 gets cancelled. 2 table 1 time, 2 table 3 times, and three into, it is reciprocals to numerator. 3 1s are 3 20s are. So 40 joules per second. Okay? How much work it is done means machine 20 joules in half an hour. So, and here by the machine 40 joule per second is the work. Work means here work equals to force into displacement. And here time is time only. So work by time means force into displacement by time. Okay, I will explain again these formulas. This is star point, note first. I will say continuation. Here mission works 20 joules in half an hour. Okay, machine works 20 joules in half an hour and the power is 40 joules per second. Here joules per second means here in power SI unit is, here power formula is W by T. Here W by T means work by time. And here work SI unit is joule by time SI unit seconds. And this unit is called as watt. Watt. And it is denoted as capital W. Okay? And Celsius unit erg per second. This is written as like this one. Okay? So these are the units. And now here machine works 20 joules in half an hour and the power is 40 joules per second. It is written as 40 watt. Okay? And another, here a person works 20 joules. Here same work and man works in 1 hour. 1 hour. Here machine works more work in less time and here man works same work in more time. So there is a lot of power difference. So in these two, who is better than? Who is better in power? My question is, who is better in power? Here machine is better in power. So 40 watt. In this 20 joules in 1 hour means 20 by 1 hour means 60 into 60. So 0 gets cancelled 2 times 1 time, 2 times 3 times. And here 1 by 180 watt. 1 by 180 watt. So it will get in 0 points. And here 40 watt. So there is a lot of difference in power. So machine is better in power. Okay. So this is star point. Note down. And here next topic, we learned that power units. SI unit is watt. Capital W. Okay. And Celsius unit erg per second. We have to write like this only. Erg per second. Okay. So these are the units we already discussed. And next topic, relation between force and power. Relation between force and power. Here already learned power is equals to work by time. And here work is written as force into displacement by time. Okay. So here force, I am taking force outside, and here I am keeping displacement by time. Okay. And here force into displacement by time means velocity. So here power is equals to force into velocity also. This is also another important formula. Okay. So this is the relation between force and power. Power means force into velocity. And here relation between kinetic energy and potential energy with power. Okay. So power is equals to work by time, and here I have to found within kinetic energy formula. So here power is equals to, here we already learned work equals to energy. Work equals to energy. So energy means kinetic energy. So Ke by time. Ke means kinetic energy by time. Here we have to know about work equals to energy means there are same in magnitude and same in units also. So we can write here, first we will write power is equals to energy by time. We can write power equals to energy by time. And in place of energy, we can write energy equals to Ke and Pe also. Kinetic energy and potential energy also. So power is equals to kinetic energy means half mv square by time. Half mv square by time. This is kinetic energy in terms of, and another power is equals to in terms of potential energy means power equals to mgh by time. mgh by time. Okay. So these are the power formulas in terms of kinetic energy and potential energy also. Here we can write mechanical energy also. Mechanical energy. See, I will write. Here we already learned mechanical energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay. So here we can write mechanical energy means kinetic energy plus potential energy. So here power equals to half mv square plus mgh by time. This is mechanical energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy by time. So this is power in terms of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means kinetic energy plus potential energy, which means kinetic energy equals to half mv square and potential energy equals to mgh. So we can write half mv square plus mgh. Okay. So this is power in terms of mechanical energy. So power topic is and the problems on power. First one, a man spends 64 joules. A man spends 64 joules of energy in displacing a body by 64 meters in the direction of applied force in 2 seconds. Calculate force and power. Okay. So in this they gave energy 64 joules, time 2 seconds, displacement 64 meters. Okay. So we have to calculate first force. Before going to force, we have to calculate acceleration. So acceleration formula is v bar minus u bar by time. Here initially 0. If they did not mention initially 0, we have to take u as 0. So final velocity is here. Very simple. Energy is 64 joules. So work formula is work equals to force into displacement. And here work is 64 joules is equals to force into 64 meters. So 64 gets cancelled and force is 1 Newton. Okay. So next question, they are asking to find power. Power means energy by time or work by time. So here energy is 64 joules by 2 seconds. So 2 ones are 2, 32 jam. So 32 watt is the power. Okay. So like this we have to do any sum if they ask in power or to find power or force or acceleration like this. Okay.